Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Dope, where I'm your host, Jean Paul, and I serve up that daily dose of knowledge share, experience, tips, and tricks, and things I just want to talk about because I think they're cool. It's March 3rd, 2021, and today I was a part of three excellent events. One was a YPO and EO joint event. That's Young Presidents Organization and Entrepreneurs Organization. Today we had the chairman of Albertsons, Jim Donald. You can look him up, Jim Donald or James Donald. He was also the CEO of Starbucks, who gave them their global expansion. He led the expansion. Something he said about Starbucks in particular was he didn't speak other languages in the countries that they expanded into. But what he did speak, and his team spoke, they spoke coffee and they spoke the customer experience. It's a little food for thought. Next, I filmed two podcasts today. We had Jason Cutinella from Nella Media Group, also now known as NMG Network. They focus on the luxury and travel space. That's the industry they're in, with media, videos, content curation, in-room entertainment, coffee table books, and much more. They're going to the moon. And also Shane Mizusawa from 535 Plumbing, also a fellow Entrepreneurs Organization member in Hawaii. He's got a plumbing business and a restoration business, Urgent Island Restoration, getting rid of the mold, getting rid of the floods, getting rid of all that. So I've learned a couple of good things from them. One is from Jason Cutinella: stay humble, keep moving forward, and never forget where you started. Another one from Shane, he says, care. Treat everyone as if they were a referral, as if they were auntie and uncle, and give them the experience that you would want to have when working with the company. That's a little bit of the daily dope and the daily dose. I'm going to drop one more thing for me. What I've learned is people are willing to talk to you and share their stories, and we can learn from people. Just how I learned personally with a room of 50 people, some virtual, some were in the breakfast session we were at with the YPO EO event. They were at Tiki's Bar and Grill in Waikiki. Shout out to Bill Tobin. You built an excellent business and establishment, world renowned. What I've learned is a lot of people will share their story and be willing to listen. Jim Donald, amazing, stellar CEO, he shared his story. We want to learn from their experiences so we can get the edge on things, so we can learn what they've done, what we can apply to our business and lives. Now, we did the same thing with Jason on the podcast, and Shane, they're sharing their story. That's going to get them some more recognition. I'm also learning, and all of the viewers too. We get to learn from their experiences, see how we can expand it into our lives. So I hope this brought you some value. The Daily Dope, giving you that daily dose of knowledge, experience, share, and cool things to talk about. See you tomorrow.